My name is Michelle Flemming. I'm the Director of Strategy and Innovation for the SpaceForge Inc. U.S. office. So a little bit about my background. I've spent 16 years working for a parabolic flight company in the U.S., developing research applications and procedures and processes for study in lunar, Martian, and also zero gravity, ranging from biomedical to alloys to pharma to material science, and then also overseeing the actual research occurring in the aft part of the aircraft. I have seen what the company is poised to accomplish, and manufacturing in space for the benefit of humanity is the next revolution, and I'm very, very excited to be a part of that initiative. So with 16 years of experience in the space industry and seeing what SpaceForge is poised to do, there is so much opportunity in a wide variety of initiatives that SpaceForge is undertaking. There are so many different areas where the company itself is going to make such a huge difference, and I'm excited to be a part of that, hoping to bring my experience in microgravity to benefit the research, the in-space manufacturing of materials, pharma, alloys. My unique perspective, I'm hoping, will assist the company in expanding and growing and providing even greater benefit for humanity going forward. So as part of my experience, I have participated in over 250 parabolic missions. That is a very unique perspective in terms of seeing how research and various materials, items, and even humans will act in space. And oftentimes it's not what you might expect. So if you're going to be operating or manufacturing in an environment, having actually experienced the environment gives you a much needed perspective on how the equipment may behave or how it can best be utilized. And that's what I hope to bring to SpaceForge. As part of my role in the parabolic flight environment and space, I put together the research program, took it from a government-run entity and made it commercially available to essentially everyone in a global platform. The ability to take that model and then carry it over to what SpaceForge is doing, I think will be critical to enhance the opportunities in research, in manufacturing, in supply chain development and delivery. In space manufacturing for the benefit of humanity, once it's brought back to Earth, there are several applications that can be possible. One that has been spoken of quite frequently is, of course, semiconductor. Other research opportunities, such as pharma, such as alloys, such as life sciences and biomedical. Just with the production of advanced materials in space, the microgravity environment and the space environment affords an entirely different realm in which some of these alloys, life sciences, biomedical applications, etc., perform differently. And so then being able to bring them back to Earth and utilize them is going to be key. One such application might be in-space manufacturing of biomaterials. So for example, if you are able to bioprint a knee meniscus or an ear, then you would bring it back down to Earth and it may have various medical applications. Other applications, specifically in the life sciences and in pharma, just with advanced materials, when you mix in a microgravity environment, you oftentimes have a more stable or different concentration. So SpaceForge Inc. in the US is expanding in a variety of ways, and from the strategy and innovation point of view, we'll be able to achieve greater networks with government, with university, with corporation. And so as we expand, so will those networks, so that we'll have a larger reach across the U.S. as well as global support for the ongoing operations that Space Forge has already instituted.